Hi guys, happy Monday. So I just want to talk about what you're going to do on Readworks today. Today you're going to go on to the website that's on your blog. I'm going to show you that right now. So all you're going to do is click right here. It says Readworks, Story and Questions. There are only 5 questions. I hope you enjoy this. You will click to get into Readworks. It will ask you to enter the class code. Here's the class code. You can highlight it, copy it, and the password is 1234. Click here to get to Story and Assignment. So you'll click there. Just like that, you're going to enter the class code. You can copy and paste it. Continue. You search for your name. So whatever your name is, click on it. I'm going to click on John Pedro just because, oh, no, that's John Lucas. Let's click on Pen today. So your password is 1234. Everybody's is. So go there. And our assignment today is using fresh water. So you will click on using fresh water. And it says using fresh water, not much to drink. So, I wonder what this is going to be about. We see it, what this is going to be about. We see a nice diagram here, and it says salt water is undrinkable. Fresh water we can use, fresh water we can't use, because some is salt, some is fresh. So there's a nice little diagram of that. And you're going to read this paragraph. If I were you, there's some kind of tricky vocabulary words in here, like atmosphere, and you're probably glaciers. I'm not sure if you all know what those are. So go up top to the word vocabulary. Ah, look at here. We have the word atmosphere. Atmosphere. So you see there's 3 syllables for that word. Has a definition. It tells you the part of what part of speech it is. Tells you the definitions, and it even gives the word in a sentence. Here's a couple more advanced definitions. Here's a picture of it. Wow, it even tells you what the word is in Spanish. Here are some examples of how the word is used. So there you go. Okay, so go back to the passage. Go ahead and finish reading the passage. Here's another diagram, the United States water, the water that Europe uses, and the water that's used in Africa. Wow, it's very interesting. So go ahead and read this really carefully. Then what you're going to do, what does this do? Let's see. That makes the text bigger and makes it smaller. So you can choose what size you want the text to be. You can number the paragraphs just to help you remember. And you can do line by line. So if you get a little confused or a little distracted when there's so much text on a page, you can actually read it line by line. So that's a cool little feature. And that is a really good feature because it puts the text here on the left and your questions on the right. So you can see the text and the questions. So as you're answering the questions, there's only 5 of them, yay. You can go over to the text and make sure you have the answers over here. Super easy. And the text is only 2 paragraphs long with a couple pictures. So you guys should have a really easy time. So for example, according to the text, what is most of the Earth's water? Is it A, polluted water, B, fresh water, C, salt ocean water, or D, warm water? So remember, you can use pictures too to help you with that. And then read the paragraph and see what it says about what kind or what type of water is what is mostly on the earth. Okay? You'll answer all your questions. They're automatically going to go in there. You're going to click submit and I will get your score. So then each day you're going to have one of these to do, And so at the end of the week, I'll add up your correct scores and your non-correct scores, and I'll give you a percentage, and that will be one of your reading grades this week. Okay, another one of your reading grades is going to be your IXL, just like before, and then continue listening to Mrs. Morgan read Lemony Snicket, because that's also going to be a grade when the book is finished. All right, guys, enjoy your reading passages. I hope you liked the ones I picked out for you this week. Bye.